Welcome, Facebook enthusiasts. In today's video, we've got your back when it comes to online security. If you've ever wondered how to recover a hacked Facebook account on your desktop, you're in the right place. We'll take you through the step-by-step process, making it a breeze to regain control of your account. So, stay tuned as we walk you through this essential guide to safeguarding your digital world. Open Google and type the accessing and downloading your Facebook information. Click on first one. From here select the account access troubleshooting. Then select my account is hacked. After click here. You will get to this screen. From here choose this option. Click get started. Select first option. Click here. Choose the second option from here and you will get this link. Click on this link and this screen will appear. Write your full name here and search. Different accounts will appear. If your account is not here, click on I am not here at bottom. Then enter friend name and search. After that you will simply follow the steps and provide your real ID. By following all these steps you will get your account back. Remember to change password after getting your account back. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.